Adjustable keyboards captivate typists and gamers with their satisfying switches, robust construction, and smart design. Automatic egg incubators are winning over poultry enthusiasts with their precision, reliability, and ease of use. In this guide, we evaluate the best automatic egg incubator. List none. Incubator with automatic egg turning and humidity control for hatching eggs, chicken. This automatic egg incubator makes hatching simple and efficient. Designed with an automatic egg turning mechanism, it ensures even incubation for better hatch rates. The built-in humidity control helps maintain optimal conditions inside the chamber, so you don't have to worry about frequent adjustments. With a clear lid for monitoring progress. This incubator is user-friendly and well-suited for beginners and small-scale poultry keepers. List 2. Matakoupex 20-egg incubator with humidity display and egg candler. The Matakoupex 20-egg incubator stands out for its thoughtful features, including a built-in humidity display and an egg candler to check embryo development without removing eggs. With the capacity to hold 20 eggs, it automatically turns them to ensure even heating. The easy-to-read display panel lets you monitor and adjust temperature and humidity effortlessly. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance. List 3. Egg incubator with automatic egg turning and humidity control. 18 eggs for chicken, quail, ducks, goose, parrot. This versatile 18-egg incubator is perfect for more than just chickens. It also works for quail, ducks, geese, and even parrots. Automatic egg turning and controlled humidity reduce your workload and improve hatch rates. Its compact yet spacious design fits comfortably on a counter while holding up to 18 eggs. The digital display and clear cover allow you to easily monitor progress. List number: Sylvansparkkitchen incubators for hatching eggs. Automatic egg incubator with temperature and humidity control. The Sylvansparkkitchen automatic incubator combines modern features with a user-friendly design. It offers precise temperature and humidity control to create ideal hatching conditions. Automatic turning ensures even development, while the transparent lid makes monitoring easy without disturbing the eggs. With a sleek, sturdy build and intuitive controls, it's excellent for beginners and experienced hatchers alike. List number: Incubators for hatching eggs. 18-egg incubator with automatic egg turning and humidity control. Another excellent 18-egg automatic incubator. This model features reliable egg turning functionality and precise humidity control. It's designed for ease of use with a clear digital interface that lets you adjust settings and monitor conditions effortlessly. The see-through lid provides full visibility, and the compact footprint makes it suitable for homes or small farms, whether you're a hobbyist or starting a small-scale operation.